Hello friends, welcome back to my channel that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil and today I will show you the new feature in the SharePoint list called forms. So let me open this. Yeah, so this is my SharePoint list called Project EXT, and if you see, there is a new feature in the modern experience called forms. Okay, right, and I think it's not available in the classic view. I think yeah, it's not available in the classic view. So the form features, if you're not aware about this, if you heard about, if you I think if you work on the Microsoft forms, then it's kind of a similar structure. Yeah, if I click on this, so I have created this form, but let me delete this. Okay, so we'll create from scratch. Okay, so from here you can customize your form in the SharePoint list. Although we have default form structure, and you can hide or unhide the features of this, or if you want to hide, in the last video I explained about if you want to hide some fields, or if you want to move fields, then you can do it from here. This is the default SharePoint form, but if you want to share the form with someone and with the more customizations and all, then you can use this feature called form feature. It's a new feature, and just you have to just click on it. You can create a multiple forms according to your need. So this is the default one, right? So okay, again I will close this. So currently if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 fields, right? So if I click on this new, let's see, this is untitled, job title, name and validation company, right? So these 3 fields are appearing, right? But if I select all, then yeah, I think job title will be removed. Okay, name, validations with attachment and all. Okay, so now the features wise, you have this form. Okay, so at the top, like Microsoft Forms, you can add a logos. So I have downloaded one logo called the project one. Okay, if you can add over here, let's say please submit your details. Okay, and you can add also descriptions. Let's say this is a mandatory form. Okay. Yeah, so we have a job role. Okay, again you can customize existing columns over here, right? Let's say job role, so job role or title, consider it as a title, right? You can add description also. It's like a same Microsoft forms, like only. Okay, single line type, because we cannot change the data, right? But yeah, here if you want to add, let's say we will add a single column, let's say mobile number. Okay, so we will add a mobile number over here, and let's say if we provide a description, please provide current mobile number. Okay, okay, and if you want this as a required, then yes, from here you can do this. It's like a similar structure like in my Microsoft Forms. Again, we have for the customization, we can change the theme also. Let's say if I want, okay, or you can create your own style, but I don't want to create my own style. I will go with the default one, or what are they providing. Okay, again the setting one, you want to notify one. Let's say if I click on the notify, I will get the notification whenever the new entry is created, right? And if you want to validate, if you want to run this particular form for specific period of time, right? Let's say for 2 days or 3 days, then also from here you can manage that, right? Again, message, it's like overall, if you see, it's like a form structure only. Means initially what we used to create in the Microsoft form, that same functionality they provided in the SharePoint list, right? So these are the additional features that they have added over the SharePoint. So now if you preview, this is how it will looks. Now what we'll do is, uh, okay, so our form is ready, don't worry. Okay, and if you want to send this, just copy the link, and you can send it over the mail or over the Teams, or yeah, whatever you preferred, right? Let's say if I open this on the new tab, okay, you can directly open this and you can submit the details. So let's say submit the details. Job title will be Alteryx developer, name will be Sanket. Okay, validated by company portal, no attachment. Okay, let's add the project logo. Okay, and mobile number. Okay, I think mobile number should be above the attachment, but yeah, we can manage that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and you can submit these details. Okay, wow, great. Okay, and now let's move over to the SharePoint list, and if I close this, okay, and if I refresh, you can see Alteryx developer. This is cool now. Again, I will create one more form. Okay, so this is you can create as many forms you need it, right? So currently I have created one, but if I just want to submit name and mobile number, I don't want this validations. Sorry, let's check if we can remove that. Yeah, you can remove that from here. You just need name and mobile number. Okay, and you don't need attachment and all. Let's go with this theme. Okay, and setting, I don't want I want notification, and you can accept the responses. Show and hide field is good. Okay, I want to add a logo. Okay, consider this as a personal form. Okay, submit details ASAP. Okay, now this is the send form. Copy link and let's open this. Okay, so this is the short form that we have created. This is the second form, right? So let's create it as a okay, Shirish D. Okay, and I will submit. Okay, I don't apply any validation and all, but yeah, this is cool now. You can create a multiple forms, as many as you can. Now let's go to your SharePoint list, close this, and you can see over the details. Shirish and its mobile number. So this is how you can use this beautiful feature in the SharePoint list called the forms, and you can create multiple customized forms as per your requirements, and you can use it. So if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.